Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2023 Nautique G25. This is the biggest of the G series of boats. This is 25 feet in length, and this is the big boy. This is the one that throws out the massive waves. So let's go take a look at the exterior first. One of my favorite colors, this is the Admiral Blue, and this is the metal flake. So it has really cool metal flake. If you're out in the water, out in the sun, it really sparkles, really draws people's attention. We also did the, on the plate here, we did the gold. So this gold is also interior inside the boat in different spots, but you can do different colors, but we did gold on this one because it looks really, really nice. Black bottom, along with the Admiral Blue. Back at the swim platform, where we spend a bunch of our time. So a lot of good things back here. We got a great hand rest or hand grabber up here, so you can get yourself back up on the boat pretty easily, along with your boarding ladder, which is right there. If you're just hanging out, I got cup holders on both sides, really nice. I got a cooler right in the back. Throw some ice in there. It's got a drain. You could be sitting back here for a long time if you need to. Down underneath, this is where all the fun stuff is, the NSS, so the Nautique Surf System. That's where we control the surf wave, length, height, everything you need, along with the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface. So those two in tandem work together and create that massive Nautique wave. We also have the surf pipe, brings all your emissions from the engine down and bubbles them up back in the prop stream. It doesn't get back up in your face. And then we added the optional Nautique Steer Assist. So Steer Assist, I'm able to control the boat in a 360 pretty easily. I can go in reverse, in a straight line. So this changes the game, especially if you have your ballast full, it's a windy day. I can really have good control of the boat when I need to, especially around docks and lifts and smaller areas. And then also we optioned it with the underwater lights. So a lot more options on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this G25. So the color that we had on the outside was the Admiral Blue. Brought that into the interior as a nice accent color. So you can see the nice accent Admiral Blue all over this boat, along with the really cool looking gray interior. So we did the sea decking, the nice brown sea decking. You got your sea decking all the way walking throughout the boat, so you don't have to step on any of your cushions getting on and off the boat, which is great. So in the G25, we got tons of space. If you're looking for a boat that's going to bring your entire family and more, the G25 is the way to go. We got the cool seat here. This lifts up. We got a nice place to sit back, watch the show that way. We got a backrest here and a backrest there. So everybody that's watching surfing, wakeboarding, whatever it is, you got a nice spot to do that. Self-supporting hinges, tons of storage, goes all the way through to the back, tons of storage in the back. Everything is subfloor in this G25. So we've got ballast tanks in the back, in the belly, and on the sides, so plenty of weight to get that wave going for you. Right down here in the floor, one of my favorite things, we got the nice cooler. So a lot of times you can take the cooler out, put it somewhere else in the boat, stick a bunch of ice down there, put all your drinks in there. Drinks will stay nice and cold all day long. Got storage underneath the seat. We got our board racks here. You just put your board in, lift this up. It'll catch on there. They open up, lock into place out that way. We got the nice tower. This is the standard tower, manual tower for the G25. Unlock these on both sides and it will go backwards, so give you a lot of space if you got to get under bridges or you got height issues. You can do that with this tower. We got the one pair of 8.8-inch JL drivers up top, throws the music really far. And then we also have the lighting, the down lighting in both of those speakers as well. Got the bimini option, so this just folds out, and then you lock it into place, kind of like big wings. And then there's actually storage up on top for surfboards. So a couple surfboards can sit up on top of your bimini as well. If we come up to the helm area, got a very nice designed driver seat, very big and tall in the back, so lots of support. I like this little cutout right here. Your leg can fit right into there, so it's really comfortable as you're driving. It does have the bolster seat if you want to do that. We do have the nice steering wheel, and then the 12.4-inch link pen array system where all your stuff is in one spot. I really like that. I don't have to touch over here, touch over there, and there's a bunch of different things. I just like having it all right here. I can also control it with the control right here. It's kind of like a little mouse, which is kind of nice to have. Got a nice big armrest, easy to get to your throttle, forward and back. Awesome driving this boat, one of my favorites. So up in the bow. Again, being a G25, this is just massive up here. We got tons of space. I would say 4 or 5 people could be up here. Again, self-supporting hinges on both of these seats. You can lift that up. You got storage underneath. I got armrests. And then my feet are sitting on our bow filler. Right now it's flipped over with the C-deck. If I flip it back the other way, it's gonna look just like this on this side. Fill it all in, you're set to go. So I love the G25. Gives you a massive wave. You can bring all your family and friends, especially on those big days, all those holidays. This boat here is at our Rogers location, ready to be looked at, ready to be demoed if you need. We can do those anytime we want. If you want to call us and set up an appointment to see this boat, we could do that. Otherwise, just stop on by. We'd love to check it out with you. And as always, like this video and click to subscribe to MarineMax Minnesota so you can see all the videos we're putting out every day. Thank you.